Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to talk about the prepositional phrase poem that you have as one of your Google Classroom assignments for the week. Okay, so if you could please find this paper in your packet and take it out, and we'll just go over what you need to do to be successful with this assignment. So the first thing it says, pick a theme for your poem, a favorite sport, activity, favorite season of the year, or a favorite holiday. And you want to put the theme for that poem at the top. I chose sled riding, and I put it in quotations, so you can do the same. I also would like you to type this in Google Docs. So I will kind of just go through the poem as I'm talking about the expectations, okay? So whatever your theme is, you want to put that in the middle at the top. I don't really care what font you use as long as I can read it. And I don't have a specific size font that I would like you to use. Okay, so there's the theme of my poem, sled riding. Then for number 2, it says the first 5 lines of your poem should be prepositional phrases related to your theme. They are not complete sentences, so they do not need to be capitalized or they do not have to have punctuation at the end. Okay, so you just want to skip a space, and you should have the preposition song attached to your packet. So if you want to take that out, and each of your sentences or your lines should start with a preposition, okay? So again, I'm just going to use from the example. So mine says, and I will change that in a second, up the snow-covered hill on a cold, wintry day through, oops, sorry, hold on a second, through 6 inches of snow, down the slippery slope with a smile on my frosty face. Again, I am going to go through and make these all lower cases because they are just prepositional phrases. They are not complete sentences. Notice how I did not use the same preposition with my 5 lines. I chose a different preposition, okay? So I have up, on, through, down, and with. Okay, so now I am on step 3, which says the last line of your poem must be a complete sentence that states your feelings about your chosen theme. And on my example, I'm just going to skip a few spaces. Sled riding is one of my favorite winter activities with a period at the end. Okay, so I already typed it because I'm in Google Docs. That's step 4. Poem should be typed for your final copy. Be sure to include a title and your name at the bottom. Okay, we have the title at the top, so that's actually okay. But I do want to write by Mrs. Janoff. Okay. Then step 5 says you should include a picture at the bottom to illustrate your chosen theme. It may be clip art or a colored drawing. Some of you are very creative and you doodle and you've made some amazing artwork on the whiteboard of your iPad. So if you want to do that and upload a picture and you can figure out how to put that in a Google Doc, that's fine. If not, you can just use clip art, which is fine. So if I go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, or actually it would be Insert, Image, Search the Web, sorry. And depending on where you have pictures saved, okay? So if I put in sled riding, clip art, search that, okay? I see all of the different things that are coming up here. Sled riding, let's see. I'm just going to pick one up here. Okay, if I just pick this one, let's say, screen real quick. Click on that, type insert, and if I scroll down, there it is. Okay, so you can play around with how large or small you want your clip art to be. And if we look at everything, our assignment is done. Now I might fix this a little bit to make sure that it's perfectly like centered. That would just kind of bother me, but for the most part I think it's good. I would kind of look back through the steps and make sure that I have everything. This should not take you very long, but again, this is my example Everything is listed here for you. At the very bottom, it says, see the example poem on the back for help. And that's what I just typed. Follow directions, be creative, and do your best. So after you're done, after you're done, you can go up, and if you just click there, it will save your title, Sled Riding, right up there. Okay? And that is all you have to do. I don't really want you to share that. You don't have to share it with me. What you can do is attach this doc to the assignment, and then you could hit submit. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know, and I cannot wait to see your prepositional phrase poems turned in. Thanks, guys.